Hello everyone. First of all, Parichay Pehchan Khud Se. The workshop just I have attended, it was so thoughtful and so intense. But especially all those activities that Parichay made us do that were really thought provoking. While I was doing those activities, every question she asked and every activities we have done made us think about who are we beyond our titles and what truly matters in our life and what exactly we are chasing in our life. So all these questions are so deep and so intense. One must think about. Had I not attended this session, actually, I would have never thought about all these topics. And what is more interesting and what is more beautiful about this workshop is how Premsai has managed to make us do all these activities with such uh, entertaining and fun activities. So all those lessons were so deep, but she actually conveyed that message using these fun activities. That was really interesting. So definitely, if you ask me, if you're someone who is seeking some bit of clarity in your life and some clarity and direction, definitely one must need a person like Premsai. So thank you so much, Premsai, for all your inputs. Definitely, I would try to see how these techniques are going to help me in my life. And for further help, definitely I would come and seek your help. Thank you so much.